Hello guys! Welcome to Line Table Screen Printing. I'm Jericho from Jury. For today's video, we will teach you how to use this single line table press. And we will talk about if this is worth it to buy. And if you want to know how to build one, I will put the link in the description so you can watch it. And also guys, we're going to give away a single line table press. I will discuss it at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get started. So welcome back guys. Before I start teaching you how to use this single line table press, let's talk about if this is worth it or not. I will get straight with you guys. I know some of you cannot afford multiple station line table press. So I think this single line table press is worth to buy, especially who want to start clothing line business and don't have enough money to buy those expensive tools. And also if you just want to learn it first before you start selling it, because if you buy those expensive tools, materials, etc. and you cannot make profit of it, you will lose a big amount of money. So this single line table press is perfect for beginners and also for someone who have knowledge but don't have enough capital to start a clothing line business. This single line table press can fit anywhere. You can place it to table and then screw it. If you just want to expand it, just buy another one and then place it together and boom, you have 2 station line table press. And if you want 10 station, you can just add 8. So this is the advantage of this single line table press. We made this also a detachable. If you want to travel it with you, you can just disassemble and then pack it. If you are a designer and you want to print your design on the t-shirt, this single line table press is a perfect for you. Next is I'm going to teach you how to use this single line table press. First thing we need to do is to find a table that have better stability, because we need some force or strength to print a Plastisol ink on the t-shirt. But if you are using water-based ink, we don't need a lot of force, but it is better that your table have better stability. There's a 5 holes to screw it into the table. You can use bolts and nuts, or you can also use nails. You can also just use a C-clamp here and it can hold this single line table press. You can see that even I push it too hard, it is still sturdy. But if you're going to push it on the side, it will move. So it is better to screw it. After we install it to our table, we can proceed to printing. Printing process in single line table press is just the same in normal or multiple line table press. The only difference is you can just only put one t-shirt per design. Unlike in multiple line table press, you can put as many as the table press have. So guys, I will demonstrate how to use this single line table press. First is we need to put adhesive on our platen so that the t-shirt will not move while we print it. Next is load our shirt on the platen. Then next is put the screen and see if the design is too high or too low. Then you can adjust the shirt to the position of the design that you like. Then after that, we can now print our design. Use heat gun to cure the first coating. Then next, we can print the second coating. So that's it. We're done printing. If you have a conveyor, you can put it there so that the print will be cured. But if you don't have a conveyor, you can cure it by using a heat gun. Let's print another design, guys. So that's it, guys. If you have a questions or suggestions, just leave a comment below and we will answer it. Thank you, guys. So that's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos about line table screen printing tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. So here's the mechanics for our giveaway single line table press. Just like and share this video in any social media platform and leave a comment below. You can talk about this single line table press or you can ask questions or suggestions. We will pick one winner through comment sections. And if the likes goes above 1K, we will pick 2 winners. And the shipping cost must be paid by the winner. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching.